Hello, I'm Dave Rhodes with the Up app, and today joining me is Andy with Southern Fabricating out of Tampa, Florida. We're here today to talk to you about a better way to get service for your industrial machinery that's easier and more efficient than traditional methods. When you think about it, we've all used ride-sharing apps to get from point A to point B, and that works so much easier than the old traditional way of trying to find a taxi and use it. Well, there's a better way, and we have that answer. Say hello to the Up app. The Up app is a digital network of service requesters and service providers that come together to be able to give you a better way to get service, for you to request service and to get quotes back. Today, there are over 1,600 users of the app that are accessing it for free from their mobile device, tablets, or from your desktop computers. It's very easy to use, and so all you need to do to submit a service request is simply input your machine information into the app, give a brief description of what's wrong, when you need to have someone come and fix it, and then you will start receiving quotes coming back to you from service providers. Those quotes will entail their estimated hourly rates or estimated flat rate, their availability, any other information or questions that they may have. So it's really that simple. Once your service is complete, you simply rate your provider and then leave some comments. So today, Andy is one of our customers. And Andy, how did you come about our app? And tell us a little bit about your business, how you found out about us, and how you use our app today.
Well, Dave, Southern Fab is a used machinery dealer primarily focused on fabricating equipment. We found the Up app through a simple Google search. And in that search, we had a need for a service technician to inspect a particular piece of equipment that was located about 1,800 miles from our location. We were able to find that service tech quite quickly, and that really helped us out in a timely manner. We got a very good tech at an affordable price.
Excellent. So based off your experience, is the Up app something you would use moving forward, or you would recommend to other potential users in need of service?
Absolutely. I believe if you're an end user, a machine shop, a fab shop, a used machinery dealer, even a new machinery dealer, it's absolutely something I would recommend that you download and investigate for your operation.
Thank you, Andy, and that brings up a good point. Of our users, there's manufacturers of all shapes and sizes, there's OEMs, distributors, independent service techs, and even component service companies. So no matter what's your problem, there are providers that can provide solutions to your service needs. And I understand that there's a couple questions that have come in. Sam?
Yeah, is there a way to save any sort of favorite service providers or?
Okay, so a question came in, asked if I use a service provider, such as the one Andy used, for example, is there a way to save it as a favorite instead of just putting the request out to the matching network? And yes, there is. Within the app, you can set up previous providers you've used as favorites, and then at the time you need to put out a service request, you can select that favorite, or if you wish, you can send it out to the entire network that matches your service request. And the other question, please?
So you mentioned it was free. Is there any sort of payment needed at all for the app?
Great question. So the question is it free? Is there any kind of payment needed to use the app? No, it's absolutely free to download. You can download it from Google Play or the Apple App Store, or as I mentioned earlier, you can actually use it on your desktop or laptop computer. So with that said, I'd like to thank all the viewers today, and you can find us at theupapp.com. Thank you. And Andy, thank you.
Thank you.